Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning on sharing so the Mac accepts remote connections. Open System Settings, go to Sharing, then enable Screen Sharing or Remote Management and pick Users. Next, make sure the Macs are reachable, same Wi-Fi or note public IP and firewall rules. Once done, verify the target Mac account has a strong password and that you know its local host name or Apple ID. This avoids pauses later when you try to authenticate or locate the machine. You open Finder and choose Connect to Server with CMD+K, then type VNC / followed by the Mac's hostname or IP. For non-standard port include 5901 or similar. When prompted, enter the user credentials you enabled earlier and choose whether to remember them. Make adjustments to quality or display to balance bandwidth and responsiveness. Lower color depth if the connection is slow. If you prefer a GUI app, use Screen Sharing, App or Apple Remote Desktop, and follow the same credential flow. If native VNC isn't ideal, install a third-party client like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, or Microsoft Remote Desktop and sign in. These often bypass NAT and simplify connections. Once connected, control settings such as clipboard, file transfer, and screen resolution to suit the task. If things go wrong, first check the target Mac's firewall and router port forwarding, then restart the sharing service and the Mac. Permissions or a stale, cached credential commonly block.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.